Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DocuSign how to add signature field. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add a signature field in DocuSign, you can do this either while preparing a document to send or when editing a template. Now in order to add signature field, what you need to do is first head over and then open up your DocuSign app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on this plus icon on the bottom of your screen, then tap on request signatures. Now inside here, what you need to do is select envelope and then tap on templates right here, and then simply select envelope, and now click on new and then tap on send envelope. Now once done, upload your document like PDF, Word, etc. Once done, add recipients and click next to proceed to the add fields section. On the left panel under the standard fields, look at the signature field, then drag and drop the signature field to the location of the document where you want the recipient to sign. Then make sure the field is assigned to the correct recipient using the recipient drop down. Then you can adjust the size and position of the field as needed. Once you're done placing fields, click on send to send the document for signing. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.